Hello, hello, my little travelers. Welcome to our magical English podcast, where learning feels like playtime and every word is a new adventure. Today is a very special day because we're going on a trip together. Yes, a fun trip through the airport. And along the way, we'll learn 50 useful English phrases that kids can use when they travel. So sit comfortably, open your imagination, and get ready to learn English while having fun. Because our topic today is 50 English phrases for kids to use at the airport. Learn while playing.
Hi, Miss Lily. Hi, everyone. Wow, I'm so excited. I have my backpack, my little suitcase, and my favorite toy. I feel like I'm really at the airport. Miss Lily, are we really going to learn how to speak English like real travelers today?
Yes, Leo, we are. Imagine we are at the airport together. The airport is a big place with many people, planes, signs, and friendly helpers. And English can help you feel confident and happy there. Let's start right at the beginning. When you arrive at the airport, repeat after me, Leo. I am at the airport.
I am at the airport. Wow, that sounds cool. Like I'm a big traveler already.
Exactly. Now, when you arrive, you might say, I am ready to travel. Can you say that?
I am ready to travel. Miss Lily, I really am ready to travel.
Wonderful. Now let's imagine you see a big plane outside the window. You can say, I see the airplane.
I see the airplane. It's so big.
Very good. Now let's talk about tickets. At the airport, tickets are very important. You can say, this is my ticket.
This is my ticket. I won't lose it.
Great thinking. And sometimes an adult might ask you a question, like, where are you going? You can answer, I am going on vacation.
I am going on vacation. Yay!
Perfect. Now let's walk to the check-in counter. You might hear the word check-in. You can say, I want to check in.
I want to check in. Is that where they smile at you?
Yes, and they help you. Now let's talk about bags. You can say, this is my bag.
This is my bag. It's not too heavy.
Good. And if someone asks, you can say, I have a suitcase.
I have a suitcase. It has my clothes inside.
Excellent. Now, after check-in, we go to security. Don't worry, it's safe. You can say, I am going to security.
I am going to security. I feel brave.
That's the spirit. Sometimes you need to wait. A very useful phrase is, I am waiting.
I am waiting. Waiting can be boring, but English is fun.
That's true. Now let's imagine a friendly airport worker talks to you. You can be polite and say, hello.
Hello. I like saying hello.
And when they help you, you can say, thank you.
Thank you. That's easy.
Very easy and very important. Now let's look for our gate. You can say, where is the gate?
Where is the gate? I don't want to miss my plane.
Great question. And when you find it, you can say, this is my gate.
This is my gate. I found it.
Wonderful. Now, airports have screens with information. You can say, I see my flight.
I see my flight. It's right there.
Perfect. Now, sometimes you feel hungry. You can say, I am hungry.
I am hungry. Airports make me hungry.
Then you might say, I want a snack.
I want a snack. Maybe a cookie.
Yum! And when you're thirsty, you can say, I am thirsty.
I am thirsty. Can I have some water?
Exactly. I want water is a great phrase.
I want water. Nice and cold.
Now let's talk about time. You might ask, what time is it?
What time is it? Is it time to fly?
Soon. When boarding starts, you might hear an announcement. You can say, it is time to board.
It is time to board. Yay!
And when you line up politely, you can say, I am in line.
I am in line. I'm waiting my turn.
That's very polite. Now, when you enter the plane, you can say, I am on the airplane.
I am on the airplane. This is amazing.
It really is. You'll see seats everywhere. You can say, this is my seat.
This is my seat. It's next to the window.
Lovely. And you can say, I like my seat.
I like my seat. I can see the sky.
Now, when you sit down, you can say, I am sitting down.
I am sitting down. I'm ready.
Sometimes you need help. You can say, I need help, please.
I need help, please. That sounds polite.
Very polite. And don't forget please, it's a magic word. Now, before the plane takes off, you might feel excited. You can say, I am excited.
I am excited. My heart is going boom, boom.
That's wonderful. And if you feel a little scared, it's okay. You can say, I am a little scared.
I am a little scared, but also excited.
That's perfectly normal. Now, let's review some fun phrases together as we imagine flying through the sky. You can say, I am flying.
I am flying. Whee!
And when you look out the window, you can say, I see the clouds.
I see the clouds. They look like cotton candy.
Lovely imagination. Now let's think about arriving. You can say, we have arrived.
We have arrived. Did we really?
In our imagination, yes. And when you leave the plane, you can say, I am getting off the plane.
I am getting off the plane. That was fun.
Now you go to get your bag. You can say, I am looking for my bag.
I am looking for my bag. I see it.
Great. And when you find it, say, I found my bag.
I found my bag. Hooray!
Excellent! Now, let's review all the magic phrases we learned today. You did an amazing job, Leo, and our listeners did too. Airports are big, but English helps make them friendly and fun. Every phrase you learn gives you confidence, courage, and a big smile when you travel.
Miss Lily, I feel like a real traveler now. I can talk at the airport, ask questions, say thank you, and even tell people how I feel. Learning English like this is so much fun.
I'm so happy to hear that, Leo. And dear listeners, you can listen again, repeat the phrases, and practice at home, in the car, or even before a real trip. English is like a game, and every word is a new level you can win.
Friends, if you liked learning English with us today, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next adventure.
Yes, and give this episode a big like to show your support, and write a comment telling us which phrase you liked the most or where you want to travel next.
I want to travel everywhere.
And we'll learn English everywhere together. Thank you for listening. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and remember,
learning English can be fun.
See you in the next episode, my little travelers. Bye-bye.